Guys, my name is Ankush Gaurav and I welcome you to Contour series. In this tutorial, we can learn how to support multiple themes in a Spring MVC web application. Let me explain what exactly is my requirement. I wish to support two themes for this web page, red theme and green theme. Red theme means to display color of this text, student admission form for engineering courses in red color, and green theme means to display color of this same text in green color. And for this I would place two links on top of this web page with the name red and green. So the idea is when a user requests for this web page, by default this text would be shown in green color, means using green theme, and later user can click on any of the links red or green to change its color from green to red or vice versa. Now big question is, what tasks I need to perform to make this happen? Guys, to do so I just need to perform these three simple steps and I will be done. First, I need to include these three beans in the Spring's configuration file, and then I need to put red and green links along with this statement in the admission form.jsp file, and then I need to include two properties files with their related style sheets for the two themes which I wish to support for the application, means for red theme and for green theme. So let me very quickly make all these changes in the application and later I'll explain every single step mentioned here in detail. So this is the Spring's configuration file, and here in the end I'm gonna add these two beans, theme source and theme resolver. And here on top of Spring's configuration file I have added third bean, which is basically an interceptor with the name theme change interceptor as per the first step. So here I have added theme resolver, theme source, and on top of this configuration file I have added theme change interceptor bean. Now in the admission form.jsp file I have here added two links, green and red, and this statement as per the second step. And here I have added two properties files, theme green.properties, theme red.properties, and their related style sheets, style green and style red, in the application as per the third step. So let me show you this concept working on the browser, and later I'll explain all these things which I've just performed in the application. Guys, to reflect all these changes which I've just made in the application, I got to restart the server. So stop it and restart it again. So server is started again. Now let's check it on the browser. Now after making all these changes, let's see what happens when I request for this same web page. Cool, it's displaying its color in green color and also showing red and green links on top of this web page. Now let's see what happens when I click on red link. Cool, it's displaying it in red color, and when I click on green, it's displaying its color in green. Now let's understand what all things we performed in the application in detail. In the admission form.jsp file, if you observe, we added green and red links, and with these two links I'm passing here a parameter site theme equals green and site theme equals red. So when a user clicks on any of these two links, this web page requests for itself, and along with that request it sends a parameter with the name site theme equals red or green to the server. Now on the server side, before processing that request, this interceptor which we added extracts the value of site theme and accordingly informs Spring MVC application to pick an appropriate theme related properties file and its corresponding style sheet and prepares the response accordingly. So when I click on a red link, this web page sends a parameter site theme equals red to the server, and here this interceptor extracts its value and informs the Spring MVC application to pick this properties file theme-red.properties, and here this statement then would start looking for style sheet placeholder in that chosen properties file. So whatever value this placeholder has, this application will pick the style sheet placed at that location. So the application is gonna pick this style sheet, means stylered.css file, means this style sheet, stylered.css, and then sends this style sheet along with the response object back to the client's browser, and as a result I see a web page which is displaying color of this text in red color, and same is the case with green link. Guys, in all this explanation I didn't explain you the meaning of these two beans which I added, theme source and theme resolver. Guys, the purpose of theme source bean, means resource bundle theme source, is to load all properties files placed in the project which have theme hyphen as prefix in their names. Now what's the purpose of cookie theme resolver bean? Guys, it's must to put an entry of this bean in the Spring's configuration file, otherwise theme change interceptor bean won't work. Now in addition to this, cookie theme resolver bean serves one more purpose which I have put on the screen. Try to understand it, and if you find any difficulty understanding it, please put all your queries in the comment section below and I'll try to resolve them as earliest as possible. Alright. Guys, a big thank you for learning Spring MVC with me. If you have any feedback or comments, please provide them below the video or simply write to me on this email ID for all of your queries. Please hit the like button if you really like this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Gone to Series, and I'm gonna catch you in the next tutorial.